Alright guys, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna unbox the twerking bear that I got from Amazon. Let's take a look. I got this one for like $8 or $8.20, and this one, it's a compatible with Amazon Echo. So here it is. Actually, you know that it looks nice in the actual teddy bear. And let's see how. And I got the power adapter. It's 5.9 volts. Or you can put batteries on this one too. So there's a power on and off switch, and let me try using the power adapter. You cannot move the head. That's the only bad thing with this. But overall, it looks nice. Looks premium there. Let me plug it in. Okay, looks like the twerking bear is not compatible with the Amazon second generation. So I guess I'm gonna connect this one to my other Alexa with the third generation.
The adjective third is usually defined as...
Okay, so basically this one is a Bluetooth speaker. You can connect to any Bluetooth device. You can use this as a speaker. And the sound is okay, no problem with that. And basically when you connect this one to the Amazon Echo, it lip sync the Alexa, and I'm gonna show it to you later when I set it up. And it does it also follows the if you play music from Amazon Music, it also dances to the beat of that song. So I'm gonna connect this one now to my other Amazon Echo. So yeah, it's a good good presents for this coming Christmas. Stop. Alexa, can you dance?
I love dancing. Ask me to play dance music, and we'll get the party started.
Alexa, play dance music from Amazon Music.
Sure. Here's a station you might like, Top Dance, on Amazon Music.
yeah, if you wanna get your twerking bear on Amazon, I'll put the buy link on the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe if you want to see another future unboxing video that I do make. And for all my subscribers, thanks for your support, and bye for now.